The internet is taking the Luxe Girl aesthetic by storm. Everybody want the look, but for less. I've been noticing a plethora of Amazon inspired designer brand videos all up and down my timeline. And I wanted to share with you in this video just how you can find these same items on your own. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Girl, I got tea and it's ready to be served. But before I do so, I'm gonna ask you to go ahead and thumbs up this video because I already know you're gonna like it. And if you're new here, well, hello, welcome. I really hope this is not gonna be your last time stopping by. And if you coming back, girl, give me some. That's what's with you. Anything that I refer to that has links associated will be pinned in my comment section and found in my description box, boo. You already know I got you. Finding designer inspired items on Amazon's website can be a little tricky, but it's definitely possible with the right approach. And that's what I'm here for. The first way in which you can find designer inspired items on Amazon is by going to Amazon.com and in the search engine typing in the specific designer brand that you're looking for and using terms like inspired behind it. As a matter of fact, let me show you. Let's say if you're looking for an item, there's so many designer brands. Let's go with Valentino. So I would type in Valentino inspired in the search engine of Amazon's website. And as you can see, it will come up with a large selection of this particular brand, but for the Lolo. What I love about Amazon as well is that you can kind of niche down into what you're looking for, like be more specific. So if you look on the left hand corner, where's my left, you'll see a tab that's in bold that says department. That's where you will notice it shows clothing, shoes, and jewelry, women's fashions, accessories, sunglasses, eyewear. So if you're looking for anything specific, you can narrow it down. Honey, if you on a budget, baby, okay, because aren't we all? You can literally go down to the price to be able to dictate and play around with the pricing that you're most comfortable with spending. They even have it based on customer reviews. So if you're looking for maybe only products that are 4 stars, honey, you can narrow it down. Once you get to scrolling, you will notice that majority of these frames are very similar to, if not that specific brand, another style of brand that you have probably seen on your favorite YouTuber. Another way how I'm able to come across these items is by using descriptive styles. Now, if you know, a lot of those bags, those really expensive bags, thousands and thousands of dollars of bags, are made from quilted fabrics or leather or maybe a specific logo. What I typically do is type in, and we can do it right now, come on, quilted handbag. You'll then find all sorts of quilted style handbags, some that replicate Chanel, some that replicate Dior, some that replicate, I don't know, y'all be knowing more than I know. What they all have in common though is that price for the Lolo. Let's try it with leather tote. So you will go up to the search engine, type in leather tote, and boom bam, thank you ma'am. All of the leather totes that they have on this website that probably looks just like that bag you saw when you was window shopping at the mall that costs about $3K, they will have on the website for way more affordable. And I love that they offer the range of pricing for everybody's pockets. I may be only comfortable with spending $20, whereas you might be wanting to spend $100 and something. To each their own. I'm saying all that to say there's plenty of options. Another way that is really easy, in my opinion, to be able to find a lot of these designer inspired items would be using Amazon's camera option. Did you even know they have that? A lot of these websites are actually allowing you to pretty much go to your photo feed and upload a picture of a specific product that you've probably seen somewhere. And you can input it on their search engine on Amazon and they will pop some purses or whatever it is that you're looking for that's similar to that particular product. Because I come with receipts, we're gonna do it together. One purse that I really always loved growing up was the Dior bag. I think it was the saddle bag. Something about that saddle bag Even though I don't think I could be able to fit all of my that I like to carry in that bag. Okay, I'll be very limited. I've always wanted one. But who was about to spend $3,900 on it? Not I, said the cat. So what we're gonna do is screenshot a photo of it, and we're gonna see if Amazon has anything similar. So if you scroll up to the top of your Amazon homepage, girl, the mosquitoes, the bugs, they are getting to me. So we need to hurry this thing up because they are eating me alive, honey. When you got that good, let's go to desktop, screenshot, and we're gonna input that picture, and they're now generating everything that's similar to it. Now, I'm noticing, I don't know if you can tell, but what I see here is that they actually have the purse on this website. So you can find the actual item on Amazon as well. But remember I said we want to look for less in the beginning of the video. Oh, okay. So we're going to try to see if they have anything that's similar to it. Now I see one. It's a little, I don't know how I feel about the crocodile style. But if I scroll down, they give me other options. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to click on this one. It's very, very close in style of the saddle bag. Pretty sure that this quality is really, really great. As you can see, it's 4.5 stars. So from what I'm getting with these customer reviews, the bag is pretty great quality. And I would say fraction of the cost, but I think that's an understatement at $28.99 versus the $3,500 and something plus dollars that we saw the bag was, right? Now, the next way that I'm going to discuss, I'm pretty sure you're very familiar, if not already doing this method when it comes to finding your Amazon inspired designer pieces, and that's following your favorite influencer and clicking their links, following a blog or a dedicated website that shares all types of links. If you don't want to do the research, it can take hours and hours and hours to go through these websites because it's tons and thousands of sellers online. So I understand if you feel like, oh no, absolutely not, I'm gonna let them do the work, and if I see something I like, I'll hurry up and buy. I get it. Fashion blogs regularly post designer lookalikes found on Amazon. You could just follow those type of platforms and they'll just fall right at your fingertips. Another way, which I pretty much feel like is the easiest way, I like to call this way the domino effect. I'm gonna show you why. Let's say we want to look for, remember the Bottega dupe, the raindrop earrings? Let's look for those. So Bottega inspired earrings. So we're gonna click there, and if you scroll on down, you're gonna go to a tab that says customers frequently viewed. If you scroll a little more, you're gonna see products related to this item. So it don't necessarily have to be that item, but it will domino affect you to the next best thing or similar products related to the item. All of those particular tabs, if you notice, will be very similar to or something else that you probably have seen or been looking for. I'm telling you, sometimes this stuff just falls in your lap. We can even try it for a handbag because I know a lot of people like, I'm an accessory girly, but I know a lot of people love handbags. So let's type in, okay, so we got this one here with the knocker. And if we scroll on down, look at here, products related to this item. And you will find all types of different bags that's similar. That's giving the it girl status. That's giving the luxe girl era. All at an affordable rate. The next way, when you're in this particular space, for instance, how we just found this inspired Chanel bag. If you look towards the top left-hand corner of your screen, you will notice where it says Amazon Fashion. If you click that link, it will take you to a lot of different items also that's giving those looks vibes as well. So I'm gonna, let's say, here we scroll down, look, woven handbags, shop now. We're gonna go to the shoes next. But look at these handbags. But as you can see, there's a lot of different options. And you didn't even have to go and look. It was literally linked everything is AI generated now. Everything is so smart. Okay, so once they realize what you're looking at, when you log onto your Amazon account, you will start seeing it fall into your lap without having to look for anything. I also want to mention though, if you're one of those girlies who prefer the actual item and got that coin, you mind donating a little bit to me? No, I'm just kidding. But you can go ahead and thumbs up this video if you done gotten this far, because I know I done dropped some tea that you did not know. But there's a tab at the top that says luxury stores. If you go in there, you will find actual designer items for a fraction of the cost as well. Discounted designer items. They even have a section off to where pre-loved luxury items. So someone is selling a item that they purchased, and it won't be as high or the same price as it would have been in the store because it's pre-owned. So that's always an option for those who want to shop the actual item. Whatever floats your boat. I'm just trying to give options for all the girlies. The Amazon fashion link though, that's where I always find a lot of my stuff. I'm not even gonna lie. And let's go back out to where we see the little kitten heels, child. The little kitten heels. Because ain't nobody out here trying to trip and fall. So I'm okay with a kitten heel. And a lot of these shoes are created around designer shoes that are popular and trending on social media land. And as you can see, the prices are pretty affordable. Lastly, we're going to go out of Amazon and then go back in. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by it falls right into your lap. Now, when I log into my account and I scroll down, it's going to show me stylish accessories for your look. I'm going to see a tab that says inspired by your shopping trends. Look at the Hermes inspired look. I'm not sure what those glasses are. It's giving P. Diddy. I don't even know if I should have mentioned him at this point. But those glasses are giving some type of glasses I done seen one of these men, Migo Sky. Those are some shades. These glasses here, those gold ones, are something similar to what he would actually wear. But if you just scroll on over, look, I see Cleef. Is it Van Cleef or whoever? Yeah, girl, I know a little bit. Who that is? Cartier, or however you say it. Like, there are a lot of options right here. And I didn't go nowhere. I didn't click anywhere. It's giving you vibes. You know, you from Netflix, the little stalker man. It's giving why you're so obsessed with me. The fact that they're able to know based off what they saw me look up what I would be interested in buying. You can't get no better than that. Oh, look at these stylish accessories for any occasion. If you keep scrolling down, I see Valentino inspired earrings. Is that Fendi, Gucci, Chanel? You take your pick. You take your pick. And again, I didn't have to go looking for anything. It fell into my lap. In $19.99, you cannot beat that. I'm gonna go to my cart because I want to show y'all some of the things that I've seen. Look at these bags. Very affordable, designer inspired. And I'm going to have my Amazon storefront linked if you want to get some of these items that you see in my cart, because I am going to add them there. If there's other ways that you find your Amazon looks inspire items, come down in them comments, share the tea. Don't gatekeep. A lot of people trip and fall running to the comments to find out what everybody else is saying. Hell, I want to know too. It's giving reciprocity. I know for a fact that I put you on in some kind of way. If I did, make sure you go ahead and thumbs up that video. If you had a good time here, make sure you consider subscribing, boo. Before you go, get out them bushes. If you don't want to say anything else, add this emoji. This is going to help my channel. It's going to help this video get to its people, find its tribe. I want to thank you so very much for taking the time out to watch my video. Until next time, later.